It was a chilly Monday morning in the Grand Marble Courthouse. The air smelled faintly of coffee and polished wood. Judge Walter Graves, a man with decades on the bench, adjusted his robe and glanced at the day's docket. His eyes stopped on one case, a high-profile civil dispute involving a wealthy tech entrepreneur. When the defense counsel approached the bench, Judge Graves nearly laughed. The man couldn't have been more than 25, clean-shaven, with a sharp navy suit and an eager look in his eyes. "Mr. Carter," the judge said, reading from the file. "Yes, Your Honor," the young man replied calmly. The judge smirked. "And you're representing the defendant? Alone?" "Yes, Your Honor," Carter said again, unfazed. The judge leaned back. "I see. Well, I hope law school taught you how to swim, son. You're about to be in deep water." A few people in the courtroom chuckled. As the trial began, Carter stayed quiet, jotting notes while the opposing side, led by a seasoned attorney with decades of experience, made a flashy opening statement. When it was Carter's turn, the judge's tone was almost mocking. "All right, counselor, impress us." And Carter did. His voice was calm but commanding, every point backed by airtight evidence. When the opposition objected, Carter countered instantly, citing precise legal precedents that even made the judge raise an eyebrow. Witness after witness, Carter dismantled the opposing case without raising his voice. By lunchtime, the courtroom's mood had shifted. The smirks were gone. By the end of the day, Carter had won, decisively. As the gavel came down, Judge Graves called him over. "Young man," the judge said, "that was, unexpected. Who taught you to argue like that?" Carter smiled faintly. "My client," he said. The judge frowned. "Your client?" "Yes," Carter replied. "He's been my mentor since I was a teenager. In fact—" Carter turned toward the gallery. A well-dressed man in his 50s stood up, the tech entrepreneur himself. "He specifically requested me to represent him today," Carter continued. "He didn't want one of the big names. He wanted me." The judge's face flushed slightly as realization hit.